Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log out all devices from your Netflix account. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up the Netflix app. After the home page of Netflix opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see this profile option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the profile option, you'll be guided to another page. Now on this page, find the account option and click on it. After you click on the account option, you'll be guided to another page in your web browser. Now on this page, scroll down and find the sign out of all devices option and click on it. Once you click on the sign out of all devices option, you'll be guided to another page. Now all you have to do to sign out all devices from your Netflix account is to just click on that sign out option. I hope this video helped you to sign out all devices from your Netflix account. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.